Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start managing multiple credit cards with Citi. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have all your Citi credit card details ready. Log into your Citi online account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you will see a list of all your Citi credit cards. Select the first card you want to manage. Review your balance, payment due date, and available credit. Next, click on Manage My Card. Here, you can set up automatic payments for that card. Choose the amount and frequency that works best for you. Repeat these steps for each additional Citi credit card you own. To track your spending, go to the Transactions section. Review recent transactions for each card individually. Set budgeting goals within the Budgeting Tools section. This will help you stay on top of your spending across multiple cards. Consider enrolling in alerts for payment reminders. You can adjust alert settings in the Alerts and Preferences section. If you need to make a payment, click on Payments for each card. Follow the prompts to complete your payment securely. Regularly check your credit score within the app. This will help you understand how managing multiple cards is affecting your credit. Lastly, review your card rewards and benefits. Make sure to maximize the perks associated with each card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.